Extraordinary materials that are insulators and conductors at the same time. This amazing discovery challenged the traditional theory of solids that just over a decade ago only differentiated materials that could conduct electricity from those that couldn't. They are topological insulators, insulators on the inside and conductors on the outside that could revolutionize the electronics of the future.
Well, one has a sense that these might be incorporated into very fast, very efficient, small-scale electronics. This is a vision where one would be taking essentially known architectures which we use in our ordinary electronic systems and replacing the active elements by systems that are topological insulators.
Charles Kane, a physics graduate from the University of Chicago, and Eugene Mele, also a physics graduate from the University of San Jose, both MIT PhDs, have been awarded the BBVA Foundation Frontiers of Knowledge Award in the Basic Sciences category, after finding a new class of materials with an unknown electronic property until they discovered it in 2005.
Of materials was developed in the 20th century, and a lot was understood at that point, but what we've learned in the last decade or so is that there were features of the electronic structure of materials that nobody had ever thought about asking about.
This surprising discovery has opened the door to the development of a new generation of faster and more efficient devices.
Maybe applications down the line which are just sort of impossible using current-day quantum materials, but are now enabled by this new class of materials.
The work of Professors Kane and Mele could not only help to develop phones and other devices even more powerful than the current ones, but could even contribute to the creation of a quantum computer.
Making a quantum computer is one of the grand technological challenges of the coming century. I don't know what the best way of doing that is going to be, but there's a possibility that the features of topological insulators could be a way of doing that.
One of the greatest discoveries in physics of the 21st century, which in the future will drive technological innovations that are still unimaginable today.